Hi guys, so I have another supplier package to open. I am currently in my office with a box right in front of me and I'm so excited to be opening this. I think that these are iBloom. Not 100% sure, but let's just open it. Wait, I'm like so confused. These are the jumbo mousse spreads, but these are so cool because they come in like a plastic box inside, so it's like super protected. That's so cool. So this is either pink or purple. There's the yellow. It looks kind of green. It looks glow in the dark. That's really cool. So I was wrong. This is definitely the yellow banana. And these two are different, so I don't know. This is not like fully green though either, so I'm kind of confused, but we'll figure it out. This might be melon or something, and then banana. This looks really like grape. It's so cute. It's purple. The thing is, with some of them, they have like these air bubbles, which are manufacturing. You can see them right there. Some of them aren't like bad, but some of them are pretty bad. So I'm kind of disappointed in that. I took out all the ones that do have air bubbles, so you guys don't receive them. I'm probably going to sell them on my Instagram sales shop for like a discounted price. But yeah, to speak of the new mousse pound cakes, it's such nice of a packaging. Like there's like a display box in it, so there's like the yellow one, the purple one, and there's this green one, and I'm gonna open my own and show you guys what it looks like. So here is the green one. Okay, I'm not gonna pull that off right now because it's really hard with one hand, but it has like this super nice box, and then the squishy. It's really hard to squish, but like it's so squishy, and you can like unwrap it if you like want to. This smells so much like melon. It's crazy. I love these so much. They're super duper squishy. So yeah, and then this is like the display case it comes in on the packaging. So I'm editing the video right now, and I just realized I never made like an outro because I thought I was gonna get some more items, and I have. I'm probably gonna put that in a separate supplier package video, so stay tuned for that. If you like these types of videos, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe so you can see more of my videos. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. By the way, you can get all these items on my website if I didn't already say that.